Today, I will discuss the role of canine guardians, attitude toward dogs ownership, compatibility in guardian dog relationships, the impact of lifestyle on behavior, and how guardians manage lifestyle to support welfare. I will also reference the 5 freedom and 10 freedoms and the hierarchy of dogs' needs as welfare framework. Guardians are responsible for every aspect of dogs' welfare. This includes physical care such as nutrition, hygiene, and veterinary treatment, emotional care through safety, predictability, and low stress environment. Also, behavioral care through human training and socialization. Guardians must continually advocate for their dog's needs. The 5 freedoms remain the foundation of welfare practice. They require guardians to provide appropriate diet and comfortable living space, access to veterinary care, opportunities for natural behaviors such as sniffing or play, and an environment free from fear and distress. The 10 freedoms expand the traditional model by highlighting psychological well-being, such as mental stimulation, appropriate exercise, and human training practice. This recognizes the importance of meeting all behaviors and emotional needs, not only physical ones. So here's the hierarchy of dogs' needs. It begins with biological needs such as food, sleep, and health, followed by emotional safety, which includes predictable routines and low stress. Social connection is the next level, highlighting healthy attachment. Above this is force-free training, which prevents fear-based behaviors. Cognitive enrichment support mental health. And at the top is behavioral fulfillment, where the dog confidently expresses natural behaviors. Most guardians exhibit a strongly positive attitude toward canine ownership, often describing their dogs as integral member of the family. This emotional bond drives a deep sense of responsibility for maintaining the dog's health, safety, and emotional well-being. Guardians frequently invest time in veterinary care, training, proper nutrition, and creating a supportive environment for their dogs. Attitudes are also influenced by how well a dog fits into the guardian's lifestyle. For many, dogs provide routine, motivation, and companionship, while others may feel challenged by time constraints, behavioral issue, or the demand of daily care. There is also cultural expectation and ethical consideration, such as preferring adoption, choosing human training methods, and being aware of breed related health issues. All of that play an increasingly important role in shaping how guardians view their responsibilities. Despite the strong affection and commitment, guardians often experience practical pressures such as financial costs, limited time, or stress related to managing a dog's behavior. Overall, attitude reflects a balance between deep emotional connection and the realistic demands of long-term dog care. Compatibility refers to how well a dog's needs align with the guardian's abilities and environment. For example, a high-energy or working breed require much more physical and mental stimulation, and a nervous or reactive dog may need a quiet and predictable home. The guardians must also consider age, household member, and their own experience. Unfortunately, a poor compatibility often leads to stress, behavioral issues, and a potential relinquishment. Lifestyle has a direct influence on behavior. Insufficient or inappropriate exercise affects emotional regulation. Dogs rely on routine, and unpredictable schedules can lead to anxiety. Socialization during early development period is essential, and poor experiences can result in fear or aggressive responses. Mental stimulation through scent work and enrichment prevent boredom-related behaviors. Guardians shape the dog's lifestyle structure. Routines provide security, environmental management reduce stress, and enrichment support cognitive and emotional well-being. Human training methods prevent fear and behavioral fallout. Finally, guardians must monitor behavioral changes and seek help early from vets or behaviorists. In summary, effective guardianship demands understanding welfare principles, choosing dogs responsibly, and managing lifestyle factors that influence behavior. When guardians meet biological, emotional, and behavioral needs, dogs can thrive, resulting in healthier relationships and better welfare outcomes.